Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you are going to learning about how to see your hidden shortcuts of your Facebook navigation bar, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Guy YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's start, and first of all just simply open up your Facebook app. Let me first of all clear you that what's a navigation bar and what are the hidden shortcuts. Basically, if you see navigation bar, that navigation bar, in this bar, if you didn't get any option, you think it's hidden, you hide it, and you now don't know how to find that hidden shortcut. So how to do that, just follow the steps. And first of all, simply tap at the profile picture in the top right corner, and then tap at the gear near the search icon to open up your settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, scroll a little bit until you get the option of navigation bar. Just simply tap on it like that and tap customize the bar. That's where you can easily get the option to customize your bar. So from here, you can see your shortcuts, available shortcuts, and at the end you can see hidden shortcuts. Let me hide a shortcut just like that. Tap hide, and if I have hide a shortcut right now, and now I can find it in hidden shortcuts. So that's where you can easily find your hidden shortcuts. If you want to unhide it, just tap on it like that and tap auto, or you can also pin it from your hidden shortcut. Just tap pin, it will be pinned on your top of navigation bar. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it's helped you guys. If it helps, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the screen. Goodbye till the next video.